this here.
Okay, now Mama,
You
take
okay?
a picture of me throwing all of these at the same time.
I'm gonna videotape you.
Okay.
I am
As hard
recording,
as
right?
I can, okay? I'm doing as
red
hard
button.
as I can.
Okay. You gotta throw them right in front of you.
Alright.
Cora!
No more.
Ready, Mom?
Ready?
Okay.
Oh, I saw that one fired.
Oh, I didn't see that one. 'Cause-
What is that?
Say, Cora, say Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July! What'd you see out there? It's dark. It's way dark out there.
Max, that one just fell.
So pick it up.
No!
What?
I'm afraid it might
It
fall.
won't pop in your hand. Unless you slam it in your hand. Don't close your hand while they're in your hand, okay?
What?
Don't close your hand while they're in your hand.
Mom, ready? I'm gonna throw these through again.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, throw them right there in front. Whoa, good job.
I'm trying to get it on the edge.
Why?
Because I saw Iris get one on the edge and it, like, you could totally see the fire.
You realize it was totally by accident.
I know that. Watch out.
Ready, Mom?
Okay. Good job.
Oh, I saw a fire in that one.
Wait, Mama, can I do a whole bunch and just throw them? It's gonna
Sure.
What
Just
if
like
you,
Max.
What if you, like, took a whole pack, put them in your hand, and threw them?
Probably do a pretty loud and bright spark.
Yeah, it would be like.
Y'all hear all those frogs?
Yeah.
Lots
Do
of
we need to
them.
open a new pack of sparklers?
Yeah, open one.
Wait.
We only have 6
Oh, yeah,
packs.
right.
You got plenty.
Look,
Whoa! What are you doing?
look at it.
Oh yeah?
Mommy, how many should I do? How many should I
As
do?
many as you want.
But then she's gonna waste them all.
No more than you'd be wasting them if you did them one at a time. Whoa! Right.
They would last longer. Come on, ready? Okay.
I want me a sparkler.
Double.
Yeah, but look, watch what happens. That one goes up, and then another one goes down. So it burns out there, and then another one comes
That's
down.
kind of weird.
Yeah.
Can you do that one to mine, Roxy?
We need another light out here.
Yeah, we do. But that only does it to that side. And
Max,
I
will you
know
light
why
Iris's?
it only does it to that side. Because that's the side that he works on. But only do it
Wait,
once.
let me see. That's
No.
an already burned one, Iris. These aren't burned.
I found it in this box.
Oh yeah, that box is already done.
Oh.
Put all the burned ones in the box.
I like
Max.
one.
Don't be playing with the fire, man.
This one's yours, Iris.
No, I want to get my own.
Hold it.
Iris, right here. Right here on the table.
Here, hold it.
Okay, there's Iris's. What'd you think, Cora? Isn't it neat? Smile, Iris. Ooh, pretty. Cora likes them. She said you're pretty. Are you done with your cup? Thank you.
What happens if
Rocks.
Mom, what
Just
happens
rocks.
if you touch yourself?
It's not just rocks.
Can I throw one by one?
Sure. I don't know that they'll do anything.
What? Do what? Wait, what?
That's the gunpowder. Nope, didn't do anything without the pack. How?
I guess it needs to be all mixed up in the paper, and then when they hit the ground, they somehow... I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. Daddy's the one for that.
What happens if I squeeze it in my hand?
Cora's scared. I don't know if she's afraid of outside or the noise of the frogs or what, or the fireworks.
Or maybe she just, like, is scared, like...
What you doing?
And
Hi.
When
You want me to carry you?
Oh,
you.
Mom!
You got icing or something on your forehead.
Watch. Mom, watch. I'll throw one on the concrete and you can totally see the fire.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, no, over there. On the road. See?
Yeah.
Can I go out there and just throw to the road? These?
Sure.
Ah!
You're okay.
Oh, that's awesome!
Laura thought it was funny. Whoop. I missed
Watch
those
the
ones.
road. Watch the road.
All right, I've got the camera on the road.
Oh, awesome!
Yeah.
Max, can I get
Oh,
Yeah.
he's so cute.
One.
Yeah.
All right, come on right here.
You couldn't see the fire on that one. You couldn't see the fire on those.
You didn't throw it hard enough. I'm gonna try to throw 3 and try to make it go in a row like I did when you didn't have it on video camera. Ah, it looks awesome though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think you threw those ones in the grass, Pumpkin.
All right, hold on.
Where'd Cora go? Oh, she's over there.
5 for each.
Hi. What you doing? Hi. Hi, Mickey girl. You look so cute
Look,
today.
this is Iris.
Yeah.
Oh, I wasted mine. It's out there somewhere.
Ghost! I hear ghost, Mama!
Ghosts?
Ghost!
No ghosts out here.
It sounds like a ghost, but it's not. I'm gonna throw these on the road.
Oh, man.
I had one left.
All right, last one.
I have 0. Oh wait, Mommy. Do we have another box of these?
No, sir.
Why?
You're not lighting that with a lighter.
Can I light it with a sparkler?
No, you can throw it on the ground.
Mom, do we have another
Come here, Cora.
box of
Come here.
these?
Come here. Mama's picking you up.
Mom. Do we have
Ready?
Nope.
Say,
That's it.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, I said happy birthday.
Look, Maxie has a sparkler.
Max,
can't
we
touch.
each get 1 more sparkler.
No, there's more. There's
We got more boxes of those.
There's 3.
Wow.
Can you make 3 for mine?
I'll try, yeah.
Just go bloop, bloop, bloop.
That's right.
Hold it.
Now make it 3.
That's right. Blow it.
Oh,
Nothing to be afraid of.
No, don't make it 3. Don't.
you told me to make it 3 the last time.
Only 2. Only
Okay.
2.
Ooh, cool. Isn't that neat?
It looks
Oh, it
like-
turned into 3.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No.
Iris, it's just gonna run out. See, look. You still
It'll-
have more. and
Max.
It's running out. Did you hear that? The car popped one.
I did. I didn't realize that's what it was, though.
I just put this one on top.
Wonder what happens if I put one all the way at the bottom.
You see the smoke?
What if it'll just melt? Mommy, and then after the red, it's time for the blue.
Look, they're about to join.
Mom, after
Wait, Iris,
the
don't open that yet.
We can because we have no more left. We have no more
Max.
left, Maxie.
Cut it out.
Can I open this up?
You may.
What happens if I like this? Nothing?
It'll catch on fire, Max. It's wood. It's just little pieces of wood chips.
Can I?
No.
Aw.
Ow!
I slide out the bottom, Iris.
It's hot.
Oh, yeah.
You just burned yourself?
Yeah, that didn't hurt. It startled me.
Maxie, we each get the same amount. But only Mom gets one because there's 5 of those. Here, you get to do this one.
I can't hold one. I got Cora and the video camera.
Maybe
Okay.
when you're done with that.
It's okay. Y'all do them for now. I can always do them another time.
So, Max, who should we give this one to?
It's Max proof.
Okay, I'll just have this one. Can you like this one?
That means next time I get the last one.
What?
I'll make it 4.
You see the smoke? Cora likes the smoke.
4! 4, Mom, look, 4! Did you see that?
It
I
was
missed it.
4! Max, make one. Only one.
What's that on there?
Light your hand on fire.
Look at there.
Oh,
There we are.
Mom, I was holding it like this. Mom,
Iris.
I was holding it like this. So.
Thought it was gonna rain again.
Yeah, me too.
Give Mom a kiss.
Wait.
No? No kisses? Give Mom a kiss. Give Mom a kiss.
Scared every time you do it.
I think it's out of...
That's
Oh.
a much better angle of Mom.
That's cool, Mom. It shows you how much lighter fluid.
Oh yeah.
It looks like it's full.
Wait, let me see, let me see. Wait, let me see, Maxie. Let me see.
Did you light Iris's yet?
No.
She's still waiting.
Iris!
Got it from
Iris!
Iris, it's hey.
But we're not going to waste Granddad's lighter fluid.
Can I blow this?
Don't blow it out. You can wave it around. And write your name in the air. You like the smoke? Yeah. Is it neat?
4!
Yeah. You can't really tell on video camera.
I can.
Mommy, I did my name.
I saw a firework.
Cause you're close to the house. Wouldn't it be cool to be on an airplane on the 4th of July? See all the fireworks from above?
That would be so cool. And we would be like, whoa, look at the fireworks.
That would be
And
nice.
we'll feel like we're about to float.
Hmm?
The airplane might be closed on 4th of July.
Nah. People still have to go places.
Where do we put the old ones? Right here?
Yeah.
Whoa, Max, look at that one. They're all like really.
Alright, say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Say happy 4th of July! Anybody?
Happy 4th of July!
Say happy 4th of July! Oh my
Happy
gosh.
4th of July!